What is spermatogenesis? Spermatogenesis क्या है? What is spermatogenesis? That is the formation of sperms. ठीक है, the process of sperm formation is known as spermatogenesis, and this process occurs in the seminiferous tubules. ठीक है, so now how the full process, the process of spermatogenesis completes. ठीक है, so it takes 3 stages. There are 3 stages in the whole process of spermatogenesis. And what are these 3 stages? To learn this, we have to learn this term mugma. Okay. So what is mugma? There are initiation of 3 stages. Okay. First is the stage that is known as multiplication. Multiplication phase. Okay. As you know, the mother cell, the cell from which the process of spermatogenesis starts, that is spermatogonia. Okay, a number of spermatogonia are there, and you know that from where this spermatogonia comes. There is the spermatogonia. I am taking the one, so I am writing the spermatogonium. Okay. Now what happens with this spermatogonium? It multiplies. It multiplies. And for your kind information, this is the diploid in number, so we will write the 2n. And this spermatogonium divides by mitosis. So as you know, when the cell division of mitosis occurs, the cell divides without changing its ploiding. It remains the 2n. So one spermatogonium is giving rise to the 2 spermatogonia. ठीक है, the process is mitosis. ठीक है, so by this mitosis, a number of mitosis occur, and what happens as a result? They multiplies, their number increases. ठीक है, in the start we saw that there was only one spermatogonium, and just after the two mitosis, the number becomes 4. ठीक है, and there is not only single spermatogonium in the seminiferous tubule, a number of thousands and thousands of spermatogonium are present within the seminiferous tubule. So the same case will apply on the other spermatogonium. Okay. So what happens in this phase of multiplication by the process of mitosis? Here the number increases. The number increases with which phase? By multiplication phase. So what is the purpose of multiplication phase? The purpose of multiplication phase is to increase the number of spermatogonia. Spermatogonia का number बढ़ाना is the purpose of this first phase, that is multiplication phase. As the name indicates, multiplication is going on. Why? To increase the number. ठीक है, for which spermatogonia. ठीक है, and all the spermatogonium are diploid in number. Okay. Clear? Now, what is the next G in the word mugma? Mu indicates multiplication, and now next the G. G indicates the growth phase. This is the second phase of which process? Spermatogenesis. First phase was multiplication, and the second phase is growth phase. Now what happens in this growth phase? Okay, this all are the spermatogonia. So we take on any one of the, for example, okay, all the cases will the same case will apply for all the spermatogonia, but just taking the one. What happens? This spermatogonia increases in size. Now this spermatogonium increases in size and now it's act as a, it is known as a primary spermatocyte. This is primary spermatocyte. And the ploidy is again the diploid, that is 2L. Now you can say कि from where this primary spermatocyte come? ये कहाँ से आया? Spermatogonium increase in size. That's why this phase is known as growth phase. Accumulate the cytoplasm and the nucleus is enlarged and now behave as a primary spermatocyte. Okay? This is the growth phase. Primary spermatocyte. Okay? Now in growth phase, once again, what happens? The next stage is maturation phase. In maturation phase, primary spermatocyte divides. Now, this primary spermatocyte divides by the process of meiosis, and this is known as the first meiosis. And this primary spermatocyte gives rise to two secondary spermatocytes. Okay, secondary spermatocytes, and these are the product of meiosis. So the ploidy of the secondary will be haploid. Okay, if we indicate in the terms of number of chromosomes, so the 46 chromosomes are in spermatogonium. Okay, in all the spermatogonia contain the 46, and this also contains the 46 because it is also diploid. Now the condition changes. This primary spermatocyte undergoes meiosis, and as you know, whenever the meiosis division occurs, what happens to the number of chromosomes? They become half. So the 46 number will reduce to 23, and this condition is known as haploid. Okay, now it is haploid. So secondary spermatocyte कैसे हैं भाई? Haploid. How they become haploid? By the process of meiosis. Okay. Now from one primary spermatocyte, how many secondary spermatocytes are produced? Okay. Now next change is that this secondary spermatocyte undergoes another meiosis, and that is the meiosis second. Okay, in meiosis second, what happens? The number of chromosomes remains same. It's just equivalent to the mitosis. Okay, so each secondary spermatocyte will produce two spermatids. Number of chromosome 23, ploidy, and they are also haploid. Similarly, this secondary spermatocyte will also give rise to two spermatocytes. So there are total spermatocytes are four spermatids. They are spermatids. 4 spermatids are produced from two secondary spermatocytes. Now, during the last phase of maturation, what happens? Each spermatid will mature by the process of spermiogenesis. In this spermiogenesis, in this process, what happens? Each spermatid will transform into spermatozoa with a tail. However, this spermatid doesn't have the tail. So the spermatids are the non-motile structures, whereas these spermatozoa, these are the motile structure. Why they are motile? Due to tail. Okay. So in this way, one spermatogonium giving rise to how many spermatozoa? How many spermatozoa? There are 4 spermatozoa. Okay. So one spermatogonium, first by the process of multiplication increase the number. In growth phase they enlarge and behave as a primary spermatocyte, and then the meiosis first take place in primary spermatocyte giving rise to the secondary spermatocyte. Now what happens? The secondary spermatocyte by the process of meiosis second transform into spermatids. Okay? And all spermatids undergoes through which process? Spermiogenesis. What is the spermiogenesis? You can see it is the conversion or transformation of spermatids, okay, non-motile, into spermatozoa which are motile. Okay. So this is the flow chart. Here just to draw, you depict the different type of cells with their number, with their ploidy, and also the number of chromosomes. Okay. So spermatozoa, how many chromosome number are there in spermatozoa? 23. So now it is clear to all of you. Okay. This was the flow chart of spermatogenesis, the formation of sperm.